All right, guys. We have a cabin filter. Just want to make a quick video on how to change it right here. This is a Bosch. There's the part number. Cabin filter on a 2005 Passat. All right, that's what the car, a 2005 Passat. It's actually going to be right under this panel right here. So you got to pull. I'm using my cell phone, so hopefully we can do this. One hand. Pull everything off, just like you would change your battery. And then you got to wiggle this panel out. It's a little tough in this corner. The rest of it's not too bad. Whoops, there's that. All right, so you got this panel. Here's your battery, but that's the filter right there. All right, so I just bought this car. I'm kind of just doing maintenance, going through everything. Obviously, if you've got time to vacuum stuff out, now would be the time. You probably got leaves and twigs and whatever else, but really, pull this up. All right, set that aside. Take your filter out. It just slides up and out. That's all it is. This one's made in China. I don't know what brand this one is. It's dirty enough for sure. Doing a turbo swap here too, so check out my other videos if you want to see how to put a turbo on this car. As you can see, there's your blower motor down in there, but let's just slide this new one in. Actually, is this one made in China too? Oh, Bosch, made in USA. Up, follow the flow. So let's see, it's gonna go this way. There we go. We put it down. We're gonna put this back in, just like that. And then stick this cover back on, just like I just took it off. Put it in place, line up this rubber trim all the way across. There's no bolts involved, no tools really needed. I have my battery disconnected now, but like I said, if you got a vacuum shop vac, now is definitely the time to knock it out and to do that. But that's all there is to it. Cabin filter, 2005 Passat.